Hi, my name is Anna White. If you're looking for a sturdy and stylish bed frame and your budget is less than a couple $100, I can help you out. I built this bed in this video. I'm going to show you how. Before we get into the build, let's just talk about this bed a little bit. So the headboard is made out of 4x4s with a 2x4 on top, 1x12 paneling. The paneling is inset just a tiny bit, which helps keep the pillows on the bed. It's very, very sturdy. It's got a slat system, so no box spring required. So really for about the cost of a box spring, you can buy this entire wood bed frame. The legs are 4x4 posts as well, just to keep that substantial look, and it's very sturdy. This is a compact design, so the mattress actually sits on top of the legs. So it's for maximum space savings, this is a really good choice if you got a small room. I really, really love this bed. If you're just looking for a great, simple, easy to build bed for your room that allows your bedding to do all the styling, this is the one. I can't recommend it enough. I'm gonna put it in the essential collection. Professional looking furniture starts with professional cuts. So cut all your boards according to the cut list using a chop saw or a compound miter saw. See how beautiful those cuts are. I'm using a pocket hole jig to construct this bed because the joints are all hidden. Again, this is a means to get more professional looking furniture. The tool itself can cost as little as $150 and it's life-changing. All of the joints are hidden on the back side. It allows you to join edge to edge and into bigger material like 4x4s. I use 1x12s for my panel in the headboard, but you could also use 1x6, 1x8, even plywood. Then I capped it off with a 2x4 on top. Moving on to the footboard, it's just a 2x6 attached to two shorter 4x4 legs. Then I attached the 2x6 side rails to the 4x4 legs. I put 3 pocket hole screws in here because there's a lot of weight going to be on these side rails. This is all detailed very clearly in the plans. So now I'm going to attach the side rails to the headboard. I'm setting this bed up in the garage. Once I drill the pocket holes, I can take them apart and reassemble, and the screws will follow the same holes. A scrap wood block helps hold the side rail in place as I attach it. For full size and larger beds, I like to add a center support to bear the weight of the mattress down to the floor in the center. This is just a couple of 2x4s that are placed in the center right below the slat height. This is all detailed in the plans. For the finish, I sanded everything extremely well with 120 grit sandpaper and then a few coats of paint. You can do all of this in the room, or you can build it in the shop like I did and then take it apart and haul it into the room. Then it's just a matter of attaching the side rails back to the headboard and footboard and then setting the slats into the bed frame and screwing it all down. I'm very happy with how this bed frame turned out. It's just a simple beauty and it's very sturdy. It's going to last a long time. It's repairable. It's refinishable. You can build it in whatever mattress size you want. And best of all, the plans are completely free. So just click that link in the description. So before we end this video, I'm going to answer some questions about this nightstand. This is part of our super simple collection and we have the plans already on the site. We get a lot of interest. I'll put out a video for that too. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the plans.